ndiragiciria aragicunga arokia nanie aranjikia haria online ndirakira yake no arauga ati ni ndirathia ngaheana mitu ka mitu yakwa iraruga migatehia na atia ni ndiheanaga mitu ya thirikari ni ndiya mbeca cia muingi ni ona ni kuheanaga kwi muingi na clans yakwa matikorwo marite tax ithe turoria kindu giothe kigie tax ya muthikiriria ya Wanjiku we ne aheana itina riake na kuu gutire mundu uramuria iyo ti tax ya Wanjiku no kindu giothe kigie tax ya Wanjiku. I am also a taxpayer and I have the right to ask. Arakiuga ati ona ni ndiraheana indo ati he mu bishop ucio mu bishop aramwira metoro gutire wira ungi angikorwo akiruta aramwira metoro ni ndiraheana mitu ndiheanaga mitu ti ya thirikari iyo ni ya client akagura na thigino yake inywe ni thigino muraria ya Wanjiku na kiu nikio turorania. So hau hatire na thina uria witoro kana ukirua kana ugikore ogothe ungika, but how do you drag my mother? I would rather drag Roger. Roger is a politician, he's outgoing, he's online. How dare you drag my mother? And until you apologize to my mother, I will drag you to the last drop of my blood. Gutire hede ogeruma mami gwirorere we Nyakanga. Gutire hede no ona wana thiorere ugaciara na gutire mundu ungikwanura we arume ciana ciaku na nyina ikire na angikorwo ni ndetagira muthikiriria with blood and sweat. I even risk my life for the listener, then for my mother is gonna be bonfire. I am going to post ni dikero ne modu hau ateo brand ya ngoma di kwenda kuigwa ucio njoe akenjiara itari na kuria ndi gutire brand gutire ke. When you cross that line, you've crossed a red flag. I have never addressed you with your parents. I can never address even William Ruto the president with his kids or his never. It can never happen. But because you're an idiot, you dragged my mother because you thought you're gonna hit me below the belt. Can I tell you, honey, wewe nina deal na wewe malaya kwa malaya dragi akaraikwacio na rome acio ra dragi hau akora gwetirere. I will release your list na mahu kuria ndagutwariro kiruta ngome eno na ndire ndira address na ne mwaka uru muno ni kunjira nyingira na ni nguhoreretio ni andu mena kiongo kiega. I'd said I'll keep quiet, but until you respect women because you're a women representative, togotwarana unyo kwa unyo edire ya Grace City na ma MCA macio nyitaga makende hau ati ukamagagia. No onacio wana ni orakoma nao gutire kindu itari onanie waithaka ni akohe shoti imwe ngaheane mbere togotwarana nawe wabata ngabatani nawe tunanyongana mpaka mwisho. Oguo niguo ndakwira ni ukomenya ucio mutumia aciarite njamba itina riri. You are going to get it hot. Na dire odo profession brand dikwenda komenya gatumia kau kararumu hau gogatetera ginya mwisho tigane gutingire wakiruba na gutire brand. You can't humiliate my mother. It cannot happen. Morogio no rarumana ni undu wa mbeca cia muingi ni ciaku ni bia ciaku ni mbeca ciaku ndwendie itinogurire andu akugura magurira mboco na mbeca ciaku wakinya hau jiga giteo zero na nie ndithia raini ya mundu. You posted whatever time you posted urahurira thimu igire uranuma on my WhatsApp kino wewe shokora igire hau uranuma Facebook urazire nie ndi mundu agukira ritwa ria nye ndikwenda kuigua ucio ngo gatumia kau inyo moya ndore meta atumia tutumia no kau gatumia ni maranunga. And on top of that he murata wako horire rucini wajikomuria nyinari ni ari bia nyinari ni gatumia uguo kana hiena atia ni uguo mo postaga urenda kumuhaisha wewe Roja mafi wewe ngui kenyume ndikwenda maundu macio ndutai.
Wai pole Muthoni reke ambe ahorere Waithaka ruta Muthoni ambe ahorere please. Reke ambe ahorere All the same, thank you for coming, mama. Tutasimama we'll stand in your gap as well. Waithaka, murute ambe ahorere tondu ni ahiukirwo ringi.
No nĩ wega rĩmwe mũndũ akaria nĩguo andũ aya matigae gwĩciria nĩguo andũ makoragwo naguo, and I like the way she has spoken without boldness. Tondũ reke ngĩkwĩre Esther, mũtumia ũyũ eciragia andũ arĩa angĩ nĩ igua yawe nowe ũĩ kũrumana. It is a high time